My name is Heiner Klarmann. I'm one of the directors of Egon. I'm a mechatronics engineer and I run an auto electrical installation business and parts shop as well as the Egon company. We've got 3 products at Egon. The first one is the DC hub, which simplifies the DC installations for dual battery systems. The second one is the Egon relay hub, which simplifies relay and switching installations and battery box installations into vehicles. And the third one is the Egon water hub, which simplifies water and plumbing installations with different tanks, different pumps, drink water, shower outlets and hot water systems. Egon has started designing products because we have found a problem in the market. We decided we have to make the product ourselves. After we've done that and we're quite successful for it, we thought it would also be a good idea to have something to simplify switching. So we invented the relay hub. And then we had the same problem with water installations, so we had to invent the water hub. What Egon is doing is applying game-changing simplicity to the market and putting it onto a circuit board. What we get for it is a higher quality installation, easier installation, a faster installation, because all the thinking has been done for you on the circuit board itself.